Random is live for the points, so do the 150 points first. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Sean Thong, congrats. And then 250. 3. 1, 2, and 3. Van Houten got the second lot. Sending them the pictures of them.